Okay, today we are talk about this type of one mark questions. This type of one mark questions, most important one. Find the zeros of the polynomial. Okay, find the zeros of the polynomial. But they are give some graphs, dislikes, and we have to find zeros. How many zeros are there in each graphs? Okay, first diagram, only one line. First this one graph, x-axis and y-axis line. They are give one polynomial, that is only one line. Where this line touches the x-axis, that line x-axis place intersect means you can consider that. Okay, so this line x-axis, y-axis place only is there, so you don't consider that. When that line intersect the when that line touches the x-axis, that is the zeros. So this not touching, so you can put 0. The number of zeros is 0. Okay, and then second graph, if you take that second graph means, see this polynomial touching at this line touches the x-axis. This line touches the x-axis at one point. This line touches the x-axis at one point. So this zeros 1. The number of zeros is 1. This line touches the x-axis at 2 point. Okay, this graph touches the x-axis at 2 point. So 2 zeros. This graph touches the x-axis at 2 point. So 2 zeros. This graph touches the x-axis at 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 point. Okay, this graph touches the x-axis. This graph touches the x-axis at 4 points. So 4 0. This graph touches the x-axis at 1, 2, 3. 3 points. Okay, 3 cutting point, 3 intersect points are there. So this one 4 points. Okay, that's all. Next we want to learn this. Find the zeros of the polynomial. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial and verify the relations between the zeros and the coefficient. First of all, we need to find zeros of the polynomial, zeros of the following quadratic polynomial, and then we have to verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficient. Okay, how to find these zeros and zeros of the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial? First we need to find factorial. First we have to take factorization method. Okay, first of all we take this constant number and coefficient of x square value. Okay, coefficient of x square value 1 is there, here 8 is there. 8 ones are 8 minus 8, and then how to find 0? We need to factorize this quadratic polynomial. Numerical coefficient value and constant value we need to multiply, you get minus 8, and then you multiply this two number, any two number means you get this number, and that same number add and subtract means you get that middle number. If you add and subtract, you should get if you add and subtract the same number, you should get that middle number. 4 2s are 8. Okay, 4 2s are 8. You want here minus 2 means here you want subtract this two number. Okay, 4 minus 2 plus, suppose here plus is there means you can add these two number. So as one place you should put minus. Okay, minus 4 Here why you put here minus? Bigger value number, bigger value sign only we should put here, no, that's why. Suppose here you put minus means you don't get here minus, okay, that's why 4 2s are 8, minus 4 2s are 8, minus 4 and minus plus minus, my 4 minus 2 2, okay. And then we have to write this like x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. This question, what is common? X is common, so we have to take out outside x common. So x common, you take outside, take out outside means x, remaining is still one x inside is there, x minus 4 plus 2. In this 2 is common, so you take it outside 2 and x minus 4 4 2s are 8, and then x minus 4 common, so you take here x minus 4, and what is left here, x and plus 2, so x plus 2, x minus 2 x plus 2, and then we have to equate 0, x minus 4 equal 0, x plus 2 equal 0. This minus 4 equal backside sign means you get plus 4, plus 2 equal backside sign means you get minus 2. The zeros of the polynomials are 4 and minus 2. Sum of zeros, product of zeros, we need to find that sum of zeros and product of zeros, okay. How to find that sum of zeros and product of zeros? Sum of zeros is formula alpha plus beta, okay. Alpha plus beta, product of 0 means alpha into beta, okay. 4 plus 2, 4 plus minus 2, plus minus minus, so we need to subtract that 2, 4 minus 2 2, 4 into minus 2, 4 2s are 8 minus 8. We need to do this like also, otherwise we need to do this formula, we have to take this formula like, okay. The sum of zeros means formula minus b by a, b value minus 2, so substitute here minus, as formula is only is there, so you take outside, you take here minus b value minus 2 and a value 1 divided by 1 minus minus plus 2 divided by 1, 2 divided by 1 2, okay. Product of zeros, product of 0 means formula, product of zeros means formula what? C by A, C by A, product of zeros means formula C by A. C value what? 8, okay. C value minus 8, minus 8 divided by A value 1, 8 minus 8 by 1 minus 8, okay. You get that. Next we need to find this 4s square minus 4s plus 1, okay. This is also same method. Numerical coefficient value and constant value you need to take and multiply, 4 ones are 4, and then which number you multiply means you get middle number, you get this number, and the same number you multiply means you get add and subtract means you get this middle number 4 minus 4, okay. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, but here minus is there, so minus minus, minus 2 into minus 2, 4 plus 4, okay. Minus minus plus you add means you get minus 4. Multiply means multiplication time 2 time minus is there means you get plus, okay. Adding time 2 time minus is there means you get minus 4, okay. And then next step, 4s square, these two numbers you should take and keep here, minus 2s, this plus 1. In these two, which is common? 2s is common. See here 2s inside 2 2s are 4. 2s is common, no. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. S square means 2s inside is there. So 2s you take outside means inside one more 2s is there. So 2s minus 1 minus, in these two which is what is common, minus 1 is common. So minus 1 2s minus 1, 2s minus 1, 2s minus 1 you keep here, and then what is left here, 2s minus 1. So one more 2s minus 1. Next step we need to equal 0. 2s minus 1 equal 0, 2s minus 1 equal 0. S is equal to this minus 1 equal backside sign means plus 1. This two multiplication to equal backside sign means you get denominator 2, and at the same time s value you get 1 by 2. Okay, this s value only alpha and beta value. First one alpha value and second one beta value. 4s square minus 4s plus 1 are 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Sum of zeros. We need to find relationship between zeros and coefficient. How to find relationship between zeros and coefficient means formula 1 is there, so we need to use that formulas, otherwise we need to do this like. Okay, sum of the zeros is equal to sum of the zeros is equal to sum of the zeros is equal to minus b by a. Minus b by a means minus b value minus 4 divided by minus formula only is there, so that value divided by a value 4. Okay, a value 4, so divided by 4, and then minus minus plus 4 divided by 4, 4 4 cancel, you get 1. Okay, next product of 0 means one more formula. Product of 0 means formula c by a. C value 1. See here, c value 1, a value 4. So 1 by 4 you get. Okay, this is the this is like we need to find this like questions. So